Hello, today I will guide you on how to deauthorize connected apps on Discord. While using Discord, you may have connected various third-party apps to enhance your server's functionality or manage it more efficiently. Over time, some of these apps may no longer be necessary or could pose security risks. That's why it's important to regularly review and deauthorize connected apps. In this guide, you'll learn step by step how to do that quickly and easily. Step 1, open user settings and access authorized apps. Open the Discord app on your desktop or web browser. At the bottom left corner, click the gear icon next to your username to access user settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Authorized Apps. Here you'll see a list of all apps that have been granted access along with their descriptions and permissions. Step 2, Deauthorize unwanted apps. Find the app you no longer need. Click the Deauthorize button under the app's name. Confirm if prompted. The app will be removed and lose access to your Discord account. Removing unnecessary app access improves your account and Discord server's security. Thanks for following along. Feel free to share this guide if it helped you. See you next time.